Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with 5 super Excel tricks and tips that will make you advance in Excel. So let's get started. So before I start, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So our first trick is how to create scroll bar in large data. I will let you know how to create scroll bar. Just copy this header and paste it here. Now go to your developer tab and click on insert and use this scroll bar. Insert here. Now right click on this scroll bar and click on format control. Click on cell link and select this cell, that is H2. Then click on enter, then click on OK. Now you have to offset your data here. Just use one formula, that is equal to offset bracket start. Just select your reference here. Now comma, select your linked cell and freeze this cell by pressing F4. Then again comma. Now use 0 here, then comma. For height you have to use 1, then comma. For width you have to use 1, then bracket close and then enter. Now drag this to Q4 and also drag this give this one border. Now your scroll bar is linked with your data and you can scroll down here by pressing this and scroll up this. This is how you can create scroll bar for large data. So let's move to our next trick, that is how to sort serial numbers in Excel. Don't do like this, just drag and drop this. Don't use this. You can use one formula, is equal to sort bracket start. Then you have to select your range. Then select and sign. Then double quotes and bracket close. Enter. This is how you can sort your serial number in Excel. Now let's move to our next trick, that is how to remove leading zeros in Excel. In this text we have some zeros here. You can use one formula for this, that is equal to substitute bracket start. Select your text, then comma, select 0, then comma, then double quotes and bracket close. This is how you can remove leading zeros in Excel. So let's move to our next trick, that is use currency data types to do currency conversion. For example, we have INR/USD here. For currency conversion we have one tool, that is in data tab. Just go to data tab, select the currencies here. Now it is changed in currencies. Now you can insert 52-week high value just select this and you can insert 52-week low, and again select this. You can also insert price here. This is how you can use currency data type to do currency conversion. So let's move to our next trick, that is how to combine all worksheets into one with Power Query. Now we have two sheets here, or you can say that two datas here. We want to combine these datas into one. Just click on get data in data tab. Go to from other sources and click on blank query. So before this, you have to create these data into table. For this, select this data and click on Ctrl T. Click on OK. Now it is converted into table. Again, select your data, click on Ctrl T and click on OK. Now we have to go to data tab. Just go to get data, click on from other sources, click on blank query. Here you have to use one query, that is Excel current workbook, bracket start, bracket close, and then enter. Just click on this icon and use original columns name as prefix. Click on OK. Now click on this close and load to use the existing one. Select your range, that is this. I have selected here. Click on OK. This is how you can extract or you can combine all worksheets into one with your Power Query. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any query regarding Excel, please do comment in comment section. Also do share my video so that your friends can also learn advanced Excel.